Why is an interprofessional team important in a medical 3D printing lab? An interprofessional team consisting of a radiologist, radiographer, surgeon, and a biomedical engineer is crucial in a medical 3D lab due to its blend of clinical expertise and technical proficiency. Together, they interpret medical images, provide clinical insights, and engineer solutions to create customized 3D printed medical devices. This collaboration ensures comprehensive patient care, precise surgical planning, innovative solutions, and efficient treatment outcomes, ultimately advancing medical imaging and customizing medicine for patients being cared for.